This tiny box right here claims it can replace your full desktop PC, and honestly, that sounds a little ridiculous. This is the Beelink GTi Ultra, a mini PC promising desktop-level performance in something smaller than a console. But after using it for a full week, gaming, editing videos, and even replacing my main workstation, I discovered something surprising, and one thing Beelink definitely doesn't highlight in the marketing. Beelink GTi Ultra product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Beelink GTi Ultra is a high-performance mini PC from Beelink, a company that's been quietly building a strong reputation in compact computing. Released recently as part of their premium lineup, this machine targets power users who want serious performance without a giant tower under their desk. Its big selling point? Desktop-class processors, including Intel Core Ultra series chips, paired with upgradable RAM, fast SSD storage, and even optional external GPU support through a dedicated dock. Beelink GTi Ultra Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? Honestly, this thing feels shockingly fast in everyday use. Boot times are near instant, apps launch immediately, and multitasking feels effortless. I ran Chrome with way too many tabs, Adobe Premiere Pro exports, Spotify, and background downloads all at once, and the GTi Ultra barely broke a sweat. For productivity, it's fantastic. Editing 4K video timelines felt smooth, and scrubbing footage didn't produce the stutters you normally expect from mini PCs. That's largely thanks to Intel's hybrid architecture balancing performance and efficiency cores. Now, gaming is where expectations matter. Integrated graphics handle esports titles like Valorant, Fortnite, and Rocket League comfortably at high settings, but newer AAA games require lowered settings, unless you pair it with Beelink's external GPU dock, which basically transforms this into a compact gaming powerhouse. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually matter. First, the PCIe expansion dock support. This allows you to connect an external GPU directly through a high-speed interface. Why should you care? Because it future-proofs the system. You can start small today and add serious gaming or rendering power later without replacing the entire PC. Second, upgradeability. Unlike many compact PCs, you can open this up and swap RAM and storage. That means your investment lasts longer, especially if your workloads grow. Third, connectivity. You get multiple USB ports, Thunderbolt support, fast Ethernet, and multi-display output. Practically speaking, this means one cable can connect monitors, storage, and accessories, perfect for clean desk setups. And finally, AI acceleration. With Intel's newer architecture, certain AI tasks like photo enhancement, background removal, or productivity tools run faster and more efficiently. It's subtle now, but increasingly relevant as AI workflows become everyday computing tasks. Design and build. The GTi Ultra uses a compact metal chassis that feels dense and premium. It's small enough to disappear on your desk, but still looks intentional, not like a router hiding behind your monitor. Ventilation is cleverly placed around the sides and top, helping airflow without making the design look industrial. The subtle lighting adds personality without screaming gaming PC. And because it's so compact, cable management becomes dramatically easier. If you're tired of bulky towers eating up legroom, this is honestly refreshing. Pros: desktop-like performance in a tiny footprint. External GPU support for future expansion. Perfect for clean, minimalist desk setups. Cons: integrated graphics alone limit AAA gaming. Premium pricing compared to basic mini PCs. Final verdict. So, who is this actually for, and is it worth your hard-earned cash? If you're a creator, developer, or productivity power user who wants serious performance without a bulky tower, the Beelink GTi Ultra makes a ton of sense. It delivers desktop-like responsiveness while keeping your setup clean and compact. If you're a casual user just browsing the web or watching Netflix, this is probably overkill. You'd save money with a simpler mini PC. And gamers, here's the interesting part. With the external GPU dock, this becomes incredibly flexible, starting as a productivity machine and evolving into a gaming rig later.